Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty for You, and it's Danielle, and today we are going to do the Yellow Canary makeup tutorial. So we're going to create this look right here that I promised you guys. So the first thing that you would need to do, you can apply tape. I actually did not apply tape on this side, but for a sharper edge you can do it over here. So we're going to do this side with tape. The first thing that I did was you're going to take a brown pencil. This is just a regular eyeliner pencil, brown. I don't know what the name of it is, of your choice. And we are going to cut the crease. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw a line from here to the inner corner of your eye. And you just lightly draw it. And make sure you're going to the shape of your eye. And you should look something like this. You can darken it if you like. And that's how you should be looking. Next we're going to take NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I've depotted mine. And you can apply with your finger or you can apply with a brush. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply with a brush. And this is an e.l.f. brush. And this is it says eyeliner brush, but it looks like a little small paintbrush. So I'm going to apply the milk pencil, jumbo pencil, just to the eyelid area. And then I'm going to take my finger and just pat it in lightly. Hold on one second. Okay guys, sorry about that. So once you apply your white jumbo pencil in milk to the eyelid, you just gently pat it in and you should look like this. Next I'm going to be using my colors from my 120 palette. And if you have a 120 palette, I'm going to be using 3 different yellows. The first yellow I'm going to do is this yellow here. Along with this yellow, I'm going to mix these 2 yellows together and we're going to gently pat this across the eyelid. And you're going to pick up each color and you're going to pat it onto the pigmentation that you want. So I'm just going to slowly fill it in like so. In a patting, circular type of motion. And we're just going to build that yellow up. And once you do those 2 colors, you should be looking like this. The next color we're going to use is this color right here, which is a yellow, but it has specks of orange in it. And it's more of a fluorescent orange. Well, not fluorescent orange, or fluorescent yellow, like a neon yellow color. So you're going to pick up some of that. And we're going to apply that also. And as you can see, the color gets brighter. And you're going to pat that on as well. and you should be looking like this. I'm just going to pick up just a little bit more of that same color, just a little more, and I'm going to just add a little bit more to make it a little bit brighter. And you really want to make sure you pat and blend a little bit at the same time so that you won't have any lines, and you should be looking just like so. Next, we're going to use a brown from my 88 palette. And you can take any brown that you have. We're going to be using this brown right here. And I'm going to take a small, like dome-shaped brush, equivalent to the MAC 225 brush. This one is a smaller one. So now we're going to pick up some of that brown, and we're going to start here above where you made that line, and you're just going to bring that brown into the crease area, like so. And you only want to pick up just a little bit, and you're going to be looking like this. And you're just going to bring that color and work that color into that crease line in a windshield wiper motion. And you're going to just blend and keep going back and forth like this. Once you have blended that out, you should be looking like this. And to make it a little darker, I'm going to pick up this brown right here using the same brush. And by the way, this palette also came from eBay. This palette I paid $2 for around Christmas time. And we're going to sweep it into that over top of the other brown that we had. And you just begin to blend those two browns together. Make sure you're not disturbing the yellow. And you're going to bring it down also to the inner corner of the eye. So you want to make sure you're coming down a little bit. You want to make sure that you're coming down towards the nose area. It gives the effect, it actually makes your nose look a little smaller, is what I was told. So once you blend these two colors, those browns, in together, you should be looking like so. For a highlight color, we are going to use this beige color right here over top of the first brown that I used. We're going to use this right here. And I'm going to use a brush like this. And you're just going to add that here. Okay, and this is how you should be looking. So the next thing that we're going to do now is we are going to line our waterline with black eyeliner, any type of black eyeliner that you have. And I'm just using the Jumbo NYX pencil in Black Bean. And I'm just lining my waterline. Then I'm going to take a small brush like this, and I'm going to go back into the yellow that we used, and I'm going to add some yellow here. I'm going to use the green Envy pencil, and it's by Wet n Wild. I'm going to take a little of that, and I'm going to go underneath and add the green. And I'm going to fill in my brows, and I'm also going to use black liquid eyeliner on the top, and I'm going to add some falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, and once you have applied your falsies, your eyeliner, and everything, you should be looking just like this. Because the eyes are so dramatic, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my NYX Mosaic powder in Truth. And it is more like a bronzer. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to add that to my cheeks. Not a lot, because this powder, I found that it is very glittery. But it just gives you that really pretty, nice glow. So I think that'll do it for now. For lips, I'm going to use this Revlon lipstick in Nude, and this is called Nude Attitude. And I'm not going to put any lip liner on here. And over top of the lipstick, we're going to add Nicka K's lip gloss, and it doesn't have a name, but this is number 3. And it's I don't know, it looks like a peachy color. And that is it, guys, for my look. That completes my look. So hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Pictures will be at the end. Toodles!